Open your design file and navigate to either drafts or your team project if you're collaborating. I have already set up my workspace, so I'm going to proceed with my designated folder. Within your workspace, ensure you have all the necessary elements set up, including the bubble tea and the ingredients. For viewers interested in accessing the resources used in the video, they can refer to the description below. To access the frame needed for the project, locate the toolbar and select Frame. From there, choose the desktop option, such as MacBook Air. While the tutorial showcases MacBook Air, feel free to select any other suitable options based on your device. Next, to incorporate the images in your design, click on the Figma icon. Navigate to File and choose Place Image. Select the provided folder containing the images and upload them. You may need to resize the images accordingly. Returning to the design file, apply color to the canvas by selecting Fill and opting for the gradient option. While you can personalize the colors according to your choice, the tutorial provides specific hex codes for reference, which you can copy and create variables by clicking on the plus icon above and name it of your choice so that you can save in the local colors section. Also, for your convenience, I have mentioned the color code in the description below. Place the bubble tea and milk splash and arrange the elements within the frame, ensuring proper layering by sending the milk splash backward. This can be accomplished through the Layers panel or click on the Figma icon, navigate to Object and choose Send to Back. Or you can use shortcuts for efficiency. Rotate the bubble tea by 20 degrees and begin positioning the chocolate and leaves accordingly. All you have to do is resize, rotate and duplicate them. Once the layout is finalized, duplicate the frame and reset the bubble tea rotation to 0. Adjust the positioning of the chocolate, leaves and milk as desired. After that, start resizing and rotating the chocolate and leaves. It does not have to look exactly the same way as I am doing. You can adjust according to your wish. Next, rotate the milk to 30 degrees. Lastly, select all and reduce the size of all the elements and reduce the opacity to 0. Create a new frame for each bubble tea flavor, following the same steps as the chocolate version. Organize frames appropriately by naming them for clarity. Transform the frames into components by selecting both the frames and respective elements, then creating a component set. To navigate it, click on the diamond-shaped icon and then click on Create a Component Set. Similarly, do the same with all the bubble tea flavors through the toolbar. Transition to prototype mode to connect frames for animation. So click on that arrow above, choose after delay to 1 millisecond, then utilize Smart Animate and under that choose option Quick. Make sure to set the timing to 1600 millisecond to achieve smooth transition. Create a blank frame, duplicate it, and place the components onto the new frame from the Assets panel. Configure the prototype settings, opting for key gamepad interaction and selecting a suitable key, for example B. Then click on Dissolve and then opt for Ease In and Out Back. Set the duration to 300 millisecond and click Check in the box below. To remove the device frame, simply deselect it. To restart your bubble tea, return to the prototype and link the final frame to the initial frame. And this is how you get the amazing bubble tea slider. Do let me know in the comments section if this was helpful and what you think about it. Stay tuned for more exciting content.